How to configure global preferences in Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged in to Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to configure global preferences. Point the mouse on the wheel icon and then click Preferences and then Global Preferences. This is the Global Preferences page. There are many different options that can be configured here. Let's take a look at a few of them. Click on the Personal Information link. Enter Identity's name in Identity's name box. Enter your full name in your full name box. Click Save. Now click the Show All Preferences Groups button. Click the Locale and Time link. You can set your preferred language, time zone, date display, and time display here. Click the Show All Preferences Groups button. Click the Display Preferences link. There are several display preferences here we can set, including the color scheme. Click Show All Preferences Groups. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change several of the global preferences in Horde.